Welcome dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Grade 3. Subject GK. I am Chandni Bhatt, your GK teacher. Dear students, before starting this subject, I will show you a rhyme. So let's see and enjoy.
Windy's music and rhymes. Let us plant a seed, baby, you and me. Let us all watch it grow till it becomes a tree. Rain, soil, sun, love and care it needs. If you give it all of this, you will surely succeed. See the seeds begin to grow as they touch the sky. Fruits, flowers, vegetables, smile and say a hi. Let us plant a seed, baby, you and me. Let us all watch it grow till it becomes a tree. Rain, soil, sun, love and care it needs. If you give it all of this, you will surely succeed. See the seeds begin to grow as they touch the sky. Fruits, flowers, vegetables, smile and say a hi.
Amazing fact of plant. Plant world. Today we are going to learn about some amazing fact of plants. First, we will read the instruction. Look at the given pictures of some amazing plants. Write their names using the help box. It means कि यहाँ पर अमेजिंग प्लांट्स के कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं, तो हमें हेल्प बॉक्स की मदद लेकर उसके नेम्स लिखने हैं. See here students, first one. First we will read. It is the tallest grass in the world. Answer is bamboo tree. See here students. This is the picture of bamboo tree. This is a plant of bamboo. Bamboo is the largest grass in the world. ये पूरी दुनिया का largest grass है. So dear students, we will know more about bamboo from a short story. So enjoy and listen carefully.
Once upon a time, there was a young bamboo plant in a jungle. It was very cute and all the other older bamboo plants loved it. They named it Bambi. But even though Bambi was much loved, she was not happy. What happened, Bambi? Nowadays you seem to be very upset.
Oh, it's nothing.
No, something is certainly wrong. Tell me, Bambi. Let's see if we can solve it.
It is not something that you can solve.
Okay, if you don't want to tell, keep sulking.
I am so useless.
Why? Why do you think you are useless?
Just look at me. I have no flowers or fruits like the other plants in the forest. They are so beautiful. Insects visit them all the time. No one visits me.
Is that your problem?
I don't even have branches. I will just grow like this, like a boring straight line. And that's all. What's the fun in that? I'm useless, useless, useless.
Okay, I understand how you feel. But wait until tomorrow afternoon. When the children returning from school will pass this path, I will tell you.
Tell me what?
You shall see. That bamboo grove was next to a path that led to a school. Every afternoon, the children took that path to return to their homes. Now, look at the children. Here they come. See what that child has in his hands?
It's a book.
Exactly. You know what books are made of?
Paper?
And what is paper made of? Us. Paper is made of bamboo. And in those books is the knowledge of the entire universe, which the children learn.
So we are a source of knowledge?
Not exactly source, but without paper. Hey, look at that boy now. Do you know what that boy has in his hands?
It looks like some stick.
Not just any stick. It's a flute. It makes music.
Wow, that's such a lovely tune.
Not just that. People use us to make really beautiful furniture and decoration pieces. We are used in food too.
Really?
Yes, Bambi. So what if we don't have fruits and flowers? Our usefulness is long lasting. The information in us and the music we create is eternal. So now, what do you think about the bamboo plant?
Oh, Pa, it's wonderful. Pa, we never thought it had so many uses.
So dear students, now see here in textbook. Second one, it is the largest living tree, about 2100 years old. See here, this name of the tree is General Sherman. This giant tree is located in the giant forest of Sequoia Nation Park in the US state of California. US स्टेट के कैलिफोर्निया में ये जायंट ट्री सेक्यूआ नेशन पार्क के जंगल में पाया जाता है. इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग सिंगल स्टेम ट्री ऑन द अर्थ. ये अर्थ का एक लिविंग सिंगल स्टेम ट्री है. हाइट ऑफ दिस ट्री इज़ 275 फीट. इसकी हाइट 275 फीट है. Third one, it is the biggest flower in the world. See in this picture, this red flower is the biggest flower in the world. The name of the biggest flower is Rafflesia. It is also known as the corpus lily or stinking corpus lily. उसको कॉर्पस लिली या स्टिंकिंग कॉर्पस लिली के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. इट हैज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड अनप्लीजेंट ओडर ऑफ डिकेइंग फ्लैश. इस फ्लावर में से बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग और अनप्लीजेंट, जो हमें पसंद ना आए वैसी सड़े हुए मांस की स्मेल आती है, इसलिए उसका निकनेम है कॉर्पस फ्लावर. This flower is found in the rainforest of Indonesia. इंडोनेशिया के रेन फॉरेस्ट में ऐसा बिगेस्ट फ्लावर पाया जाता है. इट कैन ग्रो टू 3 फीट. इसकी हाइट 3 फीट तक होती है. नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ, इट इज द प्लांट विच फीड्स ऑन इंसेक्ट. ये एक ऐसा प्लांट है जो इंसेक्ट्स खाता है. द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लांट इज वीनस फ्लाईट्रैप. See here students, this is the picture of the Venus flytrap plant. It is carnivorous plant. ये एक ऐसा प्लांट है जो छोटे छोटे कीड़े, फ्लाइज, बीज उसको खाता है. This plant found in the east coast of the United States in North Carolina and South Carolina. ये सबसे ज़्यादा साउथ कैरोलिना एंड नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में पाया जाता है. See here students, now quiz time. Take the correct answer. First of all, we will know about this given picture. जो दो पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं पहले हम उसके बारे में जानेंगे. First, we will know about mangroves. Mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that live in the coastal interior zone. Mangroves mostly groups में ही होते हैं और वो सबसे ज़्यादा coastal interior zone में grow होते हैं. It grow in area with low oxygen soil. ऐसे ट्रीज और श्रब को ग्रो होने में ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो कम ऑक्सीजन में भी ग्रो हो सकते हैं. See in this picture, these are mangroves. Next one is Wolffia. Wolffia is smallest aquatic plant. This aquatic plant floating on water. ये सबसे छोटा एक्वेटिक प्लांट है और वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट तैरता है. The flower is produced on the top surface of plant body. और उसके जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं वो उसके ऊपर के सरफेस पे ग्रो होते हैं और वो मोस्टली ग्रीन या येलो कलर के होते हैं. So dear students, I hope you are understood about plant. Quiz time. Take the correct answer. First one, it has breathing roots. Answer is very good, mangrove. Second one, it is the smallest flowering plant in the world. So answer is Wolffia. Amazing fact. The slowest growing plant in the world is Segurao cactus. जो सेगुराओ कैक्टस है वो वर्ल्ड का सबसे स्लोएस्ट ग्रोइंग प्लांट है. See in this picture,